So what to do? How to solve this dilemma? I'm asked this all the time, and I tell them the most important factor that you can overcome is experience. So, you know going in to a criminal tax case that if you are the unfortunate person that they have targeted, if they get an indictment against you, they boast that they have over a 90% conviction rate. That means that they win 9 out of 10 cases. Your job is to locate the defense attorney that wins more than 1 out of his 10 cases. That is where you start. And what I would say to you is that you will find that 90% of the criminal defense attorneys who know how to try a jury trial in federal court have never won a criminal tax case. In fact, they more than likely have never even tried a criminal tax case. This would be the equivalent in an analogy concerning sports of starting the Super Bowl with a quarterback who has never played a game. It would be insane. But many, many people think that all lawyers are the same, and they hire a criminal defense lawyer to defend their criminal tax case, only to find months into the case that their lawyer tells them, this case is worse than I thought, perhaps you should reach a plea agreement and cut your losses. That is not the way to protect your liberty, your freedom, your job, and all the things that you hold dear to you. What you should do instead is ask any attorney that you're interviewing, how many criminal tax cases have you tried for the defense? Not for the prosecution. The prosecutors are supposed to win 90% of their cases. In fact, they're supposed to win them all because they get to investigate for as long as it takes, for as much as it costs. They get to use highly trained special agents to conduct that investigation, and they get to determine who they're going to target and what charges they're going to bring. And if they don't have a mountain of evidence, they don't have to bring the case at all. So when they do all of those things and bring a case, they are expected to win, which means they're expecting you to lose, or, in other words, to plea. So, when selecting an attorney, you should ask that attorney, and you have the absolute right to ask any attorney that you are thinking about retaining, how many criminal tax cases have you handled? And give me the name and case number and the judge's name for the last 10 criminal tax cases you've defended, because I'm going to do my homework. I'm going to do my due diligence because you're talking about my life. I'm going to look on Pacer, and I'm going to see the outcome of those 10 cases. I'm here to tell you that over 90% of the people that answer that question after it's been framed with that detail are going to tell you that they haven't tried any, or if they have tried any, they have not won more than one.